Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and a natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you are doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So lovelies, as you've seen in the title, today we're going to talk about Easy Glow Strong Gluta Lotion. Okay, but before going into the video, if you have not been following me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at Ella Skincare _1. Okay, that's where you see where we have promos, my own personal skincare brand, and other things there. Okay, so follow me on IG at Ella Skincare _1. Chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to get any skincare product, hair care product. I sell and deliver worldwide. So let's go into the so like I said earlier, I'll be talking about Easy Glow Strong Gluta 15,000 mg injection gold. Okay, strong whitening milk lotion. I'll be talking about this lotion, and I'll be talking about everything about this lotion. I'm going to talk about the side effects that some people experience. I've seen a whole lot of reviews on YouTube about this lotion. I've been doing my research on this lotion for a very long time. That's why I don't jump into reviews. I take my time to make sure I know the exact thing about a particular product before I come here on YouTube to talk about it. Okay, I'm going to give you my honest review. I'm going to tell you side effects that you can get and how to manage those side effects, and some of the things that are going on online on YouTube about this lotion. Some of them are true, some of them are not true, most of them are false. Okay, I don't know where they got that lotion from. Maybe they got it from the fake ones, I don't know. But I'm just going to give you guys a review and everything about this lotion. So it's written here, Easy Glow Strong Gluta 15,000 mg injection gold strong whitening body milk with pure oxygen glutathione injection and glutathione white plus. Okay, strong Gluta 50 mg. Okay, sorry, the other part is written with French. This is made by Lucy. Lucy is the same people that produce solid white lotion. If you've not watched my solid white lotion video, this is it here. Check it out. Watch my solid white lotion video. Okay, solid white have different type. There's solid white from Oscar, which I'm also going to make a review on because some of you are making mistakes in the market. Okay, there's solid white from Oscar, there's solid white from Lucy, and there's another solid white from another company. But this Lucy right here is the Lucy that made the solid white. I made a review on some months back, so check if you haven't watched this, check it out. So the same Lucy made this Easy Glow lotion. Okay, and at the back, so many stuff are written in the back. The back contains a whole lot, and it says this is made in Paris, France. Okay, that website is there. Now that number is there. Everything is there. Okay, everything is there. Now that number is there. Website is there. Direction on how to use is there. Easy Glow lotion is one of the best whitening lotions out there in the market. Okay, like some of you know, I don't want to talk about it too much because I know a whole lot of you know about this lotion, and some of you are buying it, but I'm here to clear some. Well, I'm just here to clear some misunderstanding. Like you all know, it's a very good lotion. It's a very nice lotion that you can use to get that white skin. Okay, a clean white skin if you use it the right way. Okay, if you use it the right way, if you use it in a very good way, you're gonna get a clean white skin from this lotion. However, there is a misunderstanding everywhere that this lotion gives stretch mark, gives green veins, damage your skin, gives you knuckles, give you dark feet, give you all manner of nasty things. Let me just use the word nasty. I don't know how to explain it. All manner of skin discoloration and the rest, but that's not true. That's not true. Okay, if you get the original Easy Glow lotion, you will love it. You like it. It's not going to give you any discoloration. It's not going to give you anything like green vein, like they all say here on YouTube, like it's green vein, it gives you this, it gives you that. No, that's not true. That's not true. However, I'm going to explain where the stretch mark thing comes in. Okay, if you are using this lotion, okay, and you're using it every day, like morning, evening, the way it's written at the back, direction is used 2 times in a day for maximum result. If you use it morning and evening, morning and night, or morning and night, you might get stretch mark if you are prone to stretch mark. Okay, there's some type of people that are prone to stretch mark, and there are some people that are not prone to stretch mark. I for one am that type of person that is prone to having stretch mark from every little bleaching thing I use. That's why, for one, that was even one of the reasons why I even went into skincare, because of stretch mark. I've told some of you about this before. Okay, I went into my making my own products. Okay, because of stretch mark. And if you're someone that is prone to stretch mark and you're using any lightening products, any whitening products at all, will start to give you stretch mark. Okay, any nice whitening lotion that can alter the complexion of your skin, anything that is strong enough to change your skin tone from being dark to like being light and then you're going to white, can give you stretch mark if you are prone to stretch mark. Now, if you want to use easy glow to avoid that part of giving you stretch mark, if you are prone to stretch mark, okay, you have to use it once in a day, you have to use it at night, and you don't have to use it every time. Okay, you don't have to use it every day, every day, every day, every day. Let's take for example, you use it for 5 days, give it a break, treat your skin if you don't want to mix it, because this lotion you cannot premix it. Okay. A lot of people will tell you yes, you can premix it, but it's very light. It's not a base, so it's not good for premixing. And sometimes when you premix it, your skin will just go bad. And sometimes when you premix it, you're not gonna get any result from it. It can just go bad from premixing. So this lotion is not meant to be premixed. It's already kind of premixed from the company. That's why it's strong. Okay, that's why it's very strong. So you cannot premix this. For all those my lovely brothers and sisters in the skincare business that love to premix things, love to premix anything they see, any lotion they see, please, you cannot premix it, because it's already premixed. It's active on its own, so I don't see why you want to premix it again. So it's best for you not to premix it. If you want to use it, you use it for 5 days, or use it for a short term, and then you start to use your anti-stretch mark serum for like 3 days, your anti-stretch mark lotion or your anti-stretch mark serum for 3 days, and then you go back into this lotion for 5 days. You go into your anti-stretch mark lotion for 3 days. That's if you are prone to stretch mark. If you are very, very prone to stretch mark, some of you know that no matter what you use, you get stretch mark, unless a product is customized for you. And if you don't have money to go into customized products, that's the way this come in. You use this for 5 days. Use your stretch mark or your anti-stretch mark or your anti-stretch mark lotion for 3 days. This way you get white. This is not going to provoke any stretch mark on your skin. It's not going to bring out any stretch mark on your skin. Using this cream like this, you can use it for a very long time. I know of a customer that will be using this like this, and she'll be using it for 1 year plus now. Okay, even not, let's say 1 year 6 months, up to 1 year 6 months. That's when she'll be using this, and she'll be using it without no complaint. Okay, by using it like this, she uses it 5 days, and then she go into 3 days with a lotion that would kind of like take up her skin. Now, if you are someone that is not prone to stretch mark, okay, you're someone that is not prone to stretch mark, because there are some people, no matter what they use, they won't get stretch mark, but they get green vein. One thing that you should know is that this cream will not give you green vein. Okay, it's not gonna prone to green vein into your skin if you don't have green vein already. If you're just someone that have green vein already, this cream is not gonna give you green vein. But I see a whole lot of reviews on YouTube that tell you this cream gives green vein. The original one will not give you green vein. The only side effect I know that the original one can give you is having stretch mark sometimes, if you are prone to stretch mark, and that's what I said earlier. So apart from that, having green vein, this cream is not gonna give you anything like green vein. Okay, green vein is no. You're not gonna get green vein from this. Now, having knuckles, dark feet, dark elbows, and discolorations in your hands, this cream is not going to give you that. Okay, this cream will not give you knuckles. Anybody that tells you that this cream will give you knuckles is a lie, unless maybe you have knuckles before going into this cream. Now, one thing you should understand that if you have if you have dark knuckles before going into a lightening product, without treating that dark knuckles first, as the product is working on your skin, it's going to make your skin get lighter, and your dark knuckles will get lighter a little bit. Okay, this will make your skin get lighter more than your knuckles, and it will make you feel as if the cream is giving you dark knuckles, but the cream is not giving you dark knuckles. The problem is that you have dark knuckles, or you had dark knuckles before using that very particular product. Okay, so if you're someone going into this lotion and you never had any dark knuckles, this is not going to give you anything like dark knuckles. And if you even have dark knuckles and you want to use this lotion, I would advise you to use this lotion on your dark areas. Sorry, my voice is a bit cracked because I have cough. Sorry. And if you have dark knuckles before going to this lotion, I would advise that you use this on the dark areas of your skin for like 2 weeks before using this in the whole your whole body. Okay, I will advise that you use this the lotion in the dark areas of your skin, like the dark knuckles, your dark elbow, your dark feet first for 2 weeks before using this everywhere on your skin. So it will try to like blend your skin. But for one, this does not give dark knuckles. It's not gonna give you green vein. It's not gonna give you green vein. It's not gonna give you any skin that. It's not gonna give you that coke and fatter complexion. No, the original one will never give you anything like coke and fatter complexion. It's gonna give you a uniform skin from your head to your toe. We have a very nice, smooth, and nice complexion. Okay, you're not gonna have any discoloration whatsoever. The only side effect you're gonna have from this is a stretch mark aspect. That's if you are prone to stretch mark. That's the only thing you're gonna get from this lotion. Aside that, apart from that, this lotion is a very good lotion, and if you want to use it, you can try it out. Okay, for one, I believe Lucy is trying when it comes to skincare products. For whitening products, Lucy is a great brand. Okay, they are very good when it comes to making whitening lotions. Shower gel, their lotion, they are very good. Lucy is very good at doing its job. So I hope this has cleared the air for all those that have been asking how good is this lotion, how nice it is. The lotion is very nice. It's going to make you white. It's going to make your skin look good and make your skin look lovely. The only side effect you might get from this is stretch mark. That's if you are prone to stretch mark. Green vein, this is not going to give you green vein. And knuckles, this is not gonna give you knuckles. Use it every evening, you cannot get knuckles. Overall, it's a nice product and you should try it out. If you want to try this lotion out, please try it out. Don't be scared because of the reviews you see out there on YouTube. Don't be scared. You have to like try it out before condemning someone's product. You have to try it first to see how bad or how good it is. Okay, lovelies, that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in our next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.